Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use outro and end screens in Intro Maker. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look in the top of your left corner and press on the settings there. Now you can just press on what is end screen, and you can just see here basically in this section, or you can, should I say, read about how to use the outro and end screen here. You can see from the first steps to the last ones. You can see there are 6 steps, and you can just read about it, how to use them, and you can also see basically the steps on how to use them, and you can just apply these steps here and you will be able to use both the outro and the end screens after that. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.